Win time is a short, special time in the school day for extra help or fun learning based on what students need. It helps teach each student what they need, whether to catch up or learn more. Win time involves small groups that change often, targeted help, set schedules, and options for students and teachers. Planning win time is a team effort. Look at student info first. Check tests and quizzes for patterns, work together to find needs, and decide on flexible groups based on strengths. Step 1. Know your role. This is for the kids and a special time for focused help. Step 2. Always check student progress before, during, and after win time. Step 3. Work with your department team, sharing results and planning together. Step 4. Create groups based on student needs, including skill groups, challenge groups, and student choice groups. Step 5. Plan focused activities to ensure effective help and learning.